This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Jeanette Smith. Outdoor entertaining will be a breeze on your spacious Screened Lanai and beautiful pool. A great floor plan which flows for both togetherness yet offers privacy amenities. You will feel welcomed immediately starting with the new designer front doors. Spacious foyer, large formal dining room, separate living room, delightful kitchen along with your breakfast area and family room that overlooks the pool and lanai. The bedrooms are spacious along with baths that display the care in mint condition and new garage door. You will find vaulted ceilings, tile and beautiful wood floors. The master bedroom suite is spacious with beautiful flooring and sliding doors open to the backyard and pool. A spacious inside laundry room complete with lovely newer cabinetry and newer maytag washer and dryer. If you haven't fallen in love yet, wait till you visit your neighborhood ambience and amenities. Beautiful main drive adorned with a beautiful umbrella of trees, a hiking and biking trail complete with. For more information.